This rare and lot double-storey house selling at 1.95 million is located at Bungalow, Zaaba, TTDI. The houses here are walking distance to the commercial shops in Zaaba area and is easier access to LDP. The house is with a rear land size of 34 feet by 75 feet. The extra 10 feet side land is allowed the owner to have his own little garden space, and it lets in the natural lighting and keep the unit well ventilated since it comes with an additional windows on one side of the property. The reason why the owner selling his house is because they have upgraded to a bungalow house in Shah Alam area. The house is with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The house renovation was done 15 years ago and the condition is good. The owner has extended the back and the side of the house in order to make the kitchen area more spacious and provide more space for the children to stay comfortably. What I like the most is the natural light from the glass bricks at the stairway. It makes the home brighter yet remain the privacy of the house. Every rooms upstairs are with built-in wardrobe and with a good size that able to fit in a single-size bed and study table. The owner has extended the front of the upstairs in order to make the master bedroom bigger. For the purchaser who like the house design and renovation, it helps them to save the renovation cost and skip the headache of monitor the renovation work. The new owner just need to do some touch-up to move in if you like the design of the house. Want to find out more? Don't forget to head to our website and check our latest TTDI listing. See you next Thursday for my next video.